The NEET-UG 2026 has been officially cancelled following serious allegations of a question paper leak. The decision was announced by the National Testing Agency after the examination was conducted on May 3rd. The cancellation comes in the wake of credible claims that a guest paper linked to the actual question paper had been circulated ahead of the exam. According to officials, the Government of India has handed over the investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation to probe the full extent of the alleged malpractice. Sources indicate that the decision to cancel the examination was taken after the NTA reviewed inputs from the central law enforcement agencies. These reports suggested that the transparency and honesty of the examination process had been significantly compromised. Initial investigations in Rajasthan have already led to the detention of more than 45 individuals in connection with the case. Preliminary findings further suggest that a handwritten version of the question paper may have originated from a printing press, pointing to a major internal security breach during the production stage. To restore public trust and ensure fairness for medical aspirants across the country, authorities have announced that a fresh nationwide re-examination will be conducted. The National Testing Agency has also outlined measures to ease the process for lakhs of affected students. Candidates will not be required to register again, as their existing data and candidature will be carried forward automatically. In addition, the agency has confirmed that the examination fees paid for the May 3rd attempt will be refunded. Fresh admit cards will be issued once the new examination schedule is finalized, and previously allotted examination centers are expected to remain valid. In an official statement posted on X, the NTA expressed regret over the inconvenience caused, but stated that allowing a compromised examination to stand would result in greater long-term damage to the credibility of India's medical education system. The CBI investigation will now focus on identifying the masterminds behind the leak and determining whether organized syndicates were involved. Meanwhile, students have been advised to follow updates on the official NTA website and continue their preparation as they await the announcement of a fresh examination date. So viewers, will the re-examination be enough to restore students' trust in the system? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.